Hi everyone, Olubukola Agbola is here. I'm popularly known as Olubuklin. In this video, I'm going to be talking on how to pay for Facebook ads in Nigeria. We all know that running Facebook ads in Nigeria can be quite challenging, especially when you want to pay for your Facebook ads campaign. The reason is that majority of banks in Nigeria do not allow you to pay for your Facebook ads with your debit card or credit card because of the recent spend limit on international transaction as directed by CBN. So because of this makes Facebook ads payment in Nigeria a real difficult task. But how can you make sure that you pay your Facebook ads in Nigeria with your MasterCard and in Naira? I am going to be showing you step by step on how you can pay for your ads in Nigeria with your Naira MasterCard. I have the Meta Ad Manager installed on my phone, so you want to go to your Play Store if you're on Android and search on Meta Ads Manager. If you go there, if it's not already installed on your phone, you click on install. Now you can see that this is my ads manager account, and currently I'm already running. I have an active ads running. If I want to add payment to my account, you go to billing and payment. At the moment I have 1,391.50 kobo. So I go to add funds. The basic amount you can add is 4,000. Let's change this, or you can leave the basic amount for the sake of this tutorial. Now you'll be asked to choose or select your payment method. I will advise you to choose the Naira payment with MasterCard or Visa, that is PayU. This very last one. So you choose the PayU option of adding funds to your account. Then you click on next. While you click on next, it will prompt you to go to open with any browser that is installed on your phone. Now if you look at this, it says please continue to complete your Naira payment with PayU. Please note that the payment page will open on a new window and it closes automatically at the completion of payment. So let's click on continue so that it can direct us to where we can pay directly. Now I am going to be inserting my card number. I have my card here with me. Okay, 5199 for the sake of security reasons, I had to block out inserting the details of my card. So so that you know, I won't be shot in the leg by scammers. So you ensure that you put in the details of your card, and it will take you to this option. If you are as it is, I am using my UBA card. I want to continue with OTP security. So let me click on continue so that I can receive the OTP code. Let me enter here. Yeah, so if I click on submit, so you can see, let's wait for it processing. Voila! So you can see it says your transaction was successful, and as you can see, I've already received a notification from my phone that a debit has been debited, money has been debited from my UBA card. Now if we go back to our Meta Ads, and we refresh it to look at whether the money we have paid has reflected, you can see it has not yet reflected, but we can wait a bit so that it gets reflected. You can see currently I have 1,350 naira, which the 4,005 we paid has not reflected. Okay, let's go back again to ensure that it reflects. I guess I'm having an issue with my network. Let me try and change my network so that these can reflect easily. Okay, let's try if this is going to reflect now. Can hold on, sorry about that. Okay, the network has connected. Let's see if this will reflect now. Okay, payments. Let's go back to payments, billing and payments. Can you see? So now says I have a prepaid funds of a 5,891.50 naira in my prepaid funds account, which shows that the 4,005 that was added to it has reflected. So thank you. That's a step-by-step guide on how you can pay for Facebook ads in Nigeria, even if you are running a Naira card.